Good evening, welcome to Delight Classes. Today we are going to start a new topic, narration. Today's topic is narration. What is the meaning of narration? Narrate means to say something or to state something. Narration का मतलब है कुछ कहना, कथन. To narrate is to say something or to state something. Narration has a statement. Synonyms of narration are assertion, A-S-S-E-R-T-I-O-N. Synonyms of narration are assertion, statement or declaration. Narration means to say or state something. Synonyms of narration are declaration, assertion or statement. Narration can be in direct speech or indirect speech. Narration can be in direct speech or indirect speech. What is direct speech? When the exact words of the speaker, when the exact words of the speaker are quoted by the audience, exact words, whatever is said by the speaker is exactly quoted by the audience, the speech is said to be direct speech. जिस तरह से स्पीकर ने, वक्ता ने बोला, जब उसके वर्ड्स को एग्जैक्टली कोट कर दिया जाता है तो उस स्पीच को बोलते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच. When the synapse of what the speaker has said is quoted by the audience, synapse of what the speaker has said is quoted by the audience, the speech is said to be indirect speech. Identification of direct speech is, it is written in inverted commas. Direct speech is always written in inverted commas. So, when the exact words of the speaker are quoted by the audience, the speech is said to be direct speech. When the synapse is given of what the speaker has said, the speech is said to be indirect speech. Statement of the speaker is written in inverted commas. For example, Shweta said, comma, in inverted commas, I am busy. Shweta said, comma, in inverted commas, I am busy. So whatever is written in inverted commas is direct speech. Direct speech has two parts. Direct speech has two parts. One part which is before the comma. One part which is before the comma is called reporting verb. You can have a look over here. Shweta said, comma, then inverted comma, I am busy. Inverted comma closed. So, whatever is written before this comma is called reporting verb. And whatever is written in inverted commas is reported speech. Whatever is written before the comma is reporting verb. Whatever is written in inverted commas is reported speech. In the sentence, Shweta said, comma, in inverted commas, I am busy, inverted comma closed. Shweta said is written before the comma, so it is reporting verb. In inverted commas, it is written I am busy, it is reported speech. Now coming to next point, reported speech is written in inverted commas, that I have already told you. Reporting verb can be Position. Now we are going to discuss the position of reporting verb. Reporting verb can be in the beginning, in the middle or end of the sentence. Reporting verb can be in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. It can be at any position. So let's have the examples of different type of reporting verbs. He said, comma, in inverted commas, I write a letter. He said, comma, in inverted comma, I write a letter. He said is written before the comma. So what is he said? He said is reporting verb. And in this sentence, in this particular sentence, reporting verb is in the beginning of the sentence. Reporting verb is in the beginning of the sentence. Next sentence, in inverted comma, let us go for a walk. In inverted commas, let us go for a walk, then comma, he said. In this sentence, reporting verb he said is at the end of the sentence. In this sentence, reporting verb he said is at the end of the sentence. Coming to the third sentence, in inverted commas, Mohan is always ready to help you. Mohan is always ready to help you. It is written in inverted commas. After that, comma is there. She said to me. She said to me. Again comma is there. Again in inverted commas, because you are my neighbor. Let me clear it to you. Mohan is always ready to help you. This is written in inverted commas. After that, inverted comma is closed. After that is comma. She said to me, again comma, because you are my neighbor, in inverted comma. Reporting verb in this sentence is she said to me, and it is in the middle of the sentence. In the beginning, inverted comma, the direct speech is there. At the end, again direct speech is there, which is in inverted commas. In the middle of the sentence, reporting verb is there, she said to me. So, seeing these sentences, we can say reporting verb can be at any place. It can be in the beginning of the sentence. It can be at the end of the sentence. It can be in the middle of the sentence. Now, some important rules regarding changing of direct speech into indirect speech. So, rule number 1. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, first of all, first work is to remove the comma after the reporting verb. First of all, when we change direct speech into indirect speech, first of all we remove the comma which is after the reporting verb. You can see over here, Shweta said. Shweta said, this is the reporting verb, and after it is comma. So first of all, while changing this into indirect speech, we will remove this comma. At the second place, joining these two, reporting verb and reported speech, we will make use of any connective over here. Any connective over here. And after that, we will remove the inverted comma of the reported speech. When we open the inverted comma, when we remove the inverted comma, we have to keep in mind the first word in the reported speech. If it is any noun, any name of the person is there, or I is there. If name of the person is there, or any proper noun is there, it will start with capital letter. If I is there, it will be written in capital letter. But except this, if anything is there, it will start with the small letter. रिपोर्ट डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते समय हमको किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल श्वेता सेड, कॉमा इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, आई एम बिजी। श्वेता सेड के बाद का जो कॉमा है सबसे पहले हम उसको रिमूव करेंगे। इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को जहां से स्टार्टिंग से हम रिमूव करेंगे वहां रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के बीच में हम कनेक्टिव का यूज करेंगे। इफ द फर्स्ट वर्ड इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज एनी प्रॉपर नाउन, then it will begin with a capital letter. So this was all in today's video, and further details in the next video. Till then, see you. Goodbye, good night. Share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.